Hallo, wie geht's? This is Welsh ASMR 82. Hey, how you doing? So, Entschuldigung Sie, but I'm going to be speaking in English today because I'm talking about Fußball, and we're going to be looking at the Bundesliga 2023-24. That's the new season starting soon. Kits. And I'm going to give you my top 3. And what I want you to do is to drop me a comment, write me a comment, and say, am I totally crazy for choosing those 3? Am I wrong? Am I right? Do you agree? And then give me your top 3. And if you enjoyed the video, of course, click like and subscribe if you're new. Okay, we're going to go down in alphabetical order, starting with number 1. 1. FC Heidenheim, new to the Bundesliga, I believe. And I'm going to tell you if I like any of the kits. If I do, I'm going to keep them on a different tab, and then we'll review them at the end, and I'll give you my top 3. You ready? Let's go. Okay, so although I do like all of the kits, none of them are that bad. This one stands out as being a nice one. Yeah, that is lovely. So nice. They've got the different stripes in different directions and the largest stripe. Nice trim on the collar. Really nice colours. Gorgeous. Okay, FC Cologne. So, I don't think their home top has changed at all. Their away kit's quite nice. I'm not fussed on their third kit. However, their goalkeeper top is gorgeous. Wunderbar. I love it. That's actually getting in my top 10 at least. Love it. Okay, Bayer Leverkusen. Okay, I get the all cross thing because of they've had like a long-term sponsor, haven't they? It's quite nice, you know, nothing wrong with it. This is way nicer though, the red with the black shading behind it almost. Yeah, that is nice. Very nice. Just looking here, one by the likes of, and it's got Granit Xhaka we've just acquired from Arsenal. Okay, so that one makes it. Bayern München. I don't like the new home kit. I think I preferred last season's, it was nicer. The Oktoberfest, I don't like the green. The third kit's a bit camouflagey, I don't really know what that's about. However, the away kit, that's lovely. So I guess it's the world. It looks like Europe, Africa, South America, North America. Well, maybe I'm just guessing. And you got the pink, which I really like actually. Yeah, overall I think that's really nice. It says has an uncommon colour combo for the Bavarian club. It combines a black base colour with green and purple. It works. Okay, Borussia Dortmund. So they've got their stadium on their top. I don't like the goalkeeper kits. And for some reason they don't have the away kit, the second. That's cool. I love that. That's the stanchion at the end of the stadium, isn't it? I think that's what it's meant to represent. Distinct graphic on the front, inspired by the club's home stadium. Yes, I thought so. It's very iconic, isn't it? So they've managed to keep their classic yellow and black, but done it in a really nice way. That's staying on the list. Okay, Borussia Mönchengladbach. It's only got the home kit and one goalkeeper kit. I'm not a massive fan. There's nothing wrong with it. I like the black and the green on the white, but there's not much else going on, so it's okay. Eintracht Frankfurt. Gone for stripes. Diagonal stripes. Quite like it. I prefer their away kit with the nice trim, the red and white on the sleeves and the collar. Neither is making the top 10, but they're both nice. Okay, Augsburg next. Okay, Augsburg home kit is okay. I don't love it, but it's nice. The away kit is nicer. I prefer black. In fact, what's going on? There's like green and red in the black. Ooh, I didn't see that at first. That's nice. Apparently it's their third kit, not their away kit. Black base colour, it features a red and green print that gradually becomes more transparent towards the top, mirroring the luminous stadium facade. That's nice, I like that. Okay, Mainz. I'm not a fan of Czechs. Sorry, I mean I love the Czech Republic, but I'm not a fan of Czechs on a football shirt. It does remind me, however, of that very iconic Croatian shirt. But yeah, I don't love either of these. Or the third kit. They're okay, they're okay. Okay, RB Leipzig. I like both of them. I think this one is the better one, the away kit. I do like the gradual spacing difference between the crisscrossy lines. That's nice. Let's see Leipzig in greater detail, shall we? Yeah, that's cool. It's really funky. I like that. The way it's got like a different thing going on there, and then the trim, and the different, like they change the spacing, and the lines themselves increase in size. It's nice. Dazzle camouflage design similar to the Manchester United 2020-2021 third kit. That stays on the list for the moment. Okay, Freiburg. That's very original, isn't it? I've not seen another club do that. So it looks like broken glass or ice, doesn't it? It's very attractive, I like that. That's definitely staying on the list. Okay. Okay, Darmstadt. Both, that reminds me of an old Bayern Munich kit, actually. The third kit. I've got the away kit. The home kit is quite nice. I like the trim on the shoulders there, and the blue with the grey. It's okay though, it's not like top 5 material, but it's nice. Okay, Hoffenheim. I really like this. That's nice. I like the wavy. Yeah, that's gorgeous. So nice. I really like the wavy effect. It looks like oil on water in a puddle. That's really attractive. Okay, Union Berlin. Oh dear, I do not like that. So not a nice combination of the green with the gold, I'm afraid. But it is the third kit, and it doesn't seem to have the home and away kits, so maybe they are a lot better. Okay, Stuttgart. That's really nice. Let's take a closer look at it. Their home kit for the goalkeeper looks a bit like Borussia Dortmund. That's nice. Very nice. So it's got like a little boxy design around the emblem, which is cool. And then more sort of diagonal down here, fading. That is really original. Very cool. I would like to wear that. That's gorgeous. Okay, next is Bochum. Their away kit's okay. It's a bit lavender, isn't it? The home kit is very nice though. I really like that navy blue stripes. Yeah, that's sweet. It's very nice. Okay, we'll leave that. And then the last two, yes, the two W's, Wolfsburg and Werder Bremen. Okay, it's iconic, but I'm not a massive fan of that colour green. The away kit's very nice though. Camouflagey on the shoulders and then darker there. That's lovely. Looks really nice. I think it would have looked too much if they'd put it over the centre. So I like the fact they've got a plain colour there and chosen to do that. That's nice. Okay. And let's take a look at the last one then. Werder Bremen. The away kit's quite nice. I like the light green trim. I'm not a fan of that home kit though. It's very busy, as we say in English. Too many lines and the different colours. I get how it might work maybe when you're wearing it, but it's not an attractive one, is it? Okay, let's try and get a top three then. So, let's remind ourselves. Oh, that's nice. Heidenheim, that's staying. Cologne, that's gorgeous. Really nice, but I am gonna take it off. Okay, next. Ooh, that's nice as well. That's nice, but I'm taking it off. Borussia Dortmund. It's nice, but I'm taking it off. Augsburg. Was it Augsburg? Yes. It reminds me of the Mexico one. I'm leaving it on for the minute. Leipzig is nice, but I'm taking it off. Freiburg can stay for the moment. Hoffenheim, that's lovely. Stuttgart, that's lovely. Oh no. That's nice, but I'm taking it off. And Wolfsburg is nice, but I'm taking it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to get rid of 3. I love that. I do like that, but I don't love it. I would wear it. Okay, that's going. That's so nice. That's really nice. It's very tough. It's between these two. I think I'm going to get rid of that one. So if I had to, Hoffenheim would come third. Stuttgart would come second. And for me, the winner right from the beginning, Heidenheim. That is gorgeous. Get me one. Give me your top 3. Also, leave a comment telling me if you agree with my opinions or not. Leave a like on the video, bitte, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing more football videos very soon. So keep watching, and until then, take care everyone. Sleep well, stay relaxed, and I'll see you again.